how to buy PS Plus on PS5. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, man, you already know what we're going to be talking about, right? I'm going to be showing y'all how to get PlayStation Plus on your PS5 console, right? So listen, man, let's just imagine you on your home screen right now, because 9 times out of 10 that's where you're going to end up. Just like me, we're on the home screen, right? So what you want to do from the home screen is you want to scroll over, go all the way over until you hit the game library. All right here in the game library, you should be able to see all of your games, all the games that you downloaded so far. As you can see, I got Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Come on, man. I got Demon Slayer, because we be slaying demons. That's what we like to do. So I thought, all right, let me download the game since that's what we like to do. And then I went on ahead and got that FIFA 23, right? So these are just 3 games that I bought. I mean, of course, I got more coming on the way, but you know. But anyway, we not here to look at the games. We here to get this over here. Scroll over 2 more times and you get PlayStation Mother freaking Plus, man. Right here in your face. Here's PlayStation Plus. You know what I'm saying? Right here on the PlayStation Plus screen, you can just scroll down. You feel what I'm saying? And there you have it. You got all this stuff. You know what I'm saying? This is pretty much PlayStation Plus, man. You can go to learn more, you know. All right, learn more. All right, you got the latest, join and save. You know what I'm saying? You could join right here. Join now and save $30 on a new 12-month membership. Pretty much you just click right there, really. But look at this stuff, man. Come on, man. You get PlayStation Plus, man. You get a membership, man. I might have to go on and buy PlayStation Plus. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, because man, who doesn't want to play all these extra games? Let me see. You could join and save $30. Let me see how much it costs. All right, subscribe today for $17.99 every month. Or, ooh, look at this right here. This is premium, right? 1 month, you know, subscribe. Okay, you got extra. You can subscribe today for $14.99 every month, and then you can subscribe here at Essential for subscribe today every month, $9.99. So you really get to choose your pick. All right. Let's compare features. You can compare plans by clicking compare plans. All right. Discover a world of incredible gaming experience. You know what I'm saying? And it shows you all of the features right here of what you're going to get inside of the packages. You know what I'm saying? With the essential package, you're getting the monthly games, you're getting online multiplayer, etc. You know what I'm saying? If you look at the premium, I'm gonna just read off the premium, and y'all can read the rest if y'all want to, but I'm reading premium. You get classic catalogs. You know what I'm saying? You get game trials. Come on, man. Only in the premium. You get cloud streaming. You get, man, those 3 things right there is really that's what make premium worth it. You know what I'm saying? Who doesn't want to play game trials when they first starting to come out? You know what I'm saying? You can get the trial. You can't get that with these other ones, right? You get games catalog, monthly games, online multiplayer, all that other stuff. So I'm personally, when I get the chance, I'm gonna go ahead and get me a premium membership, but you guys can pick whatever one you want. But anyway, you just click on the membership you want and you just hit subscribe, and then you put in your credit card information and you go ahead and pay. Now, my credit card is already connected to my PlayStation account. I'm not going to buy any of these at the moment, but I will be doubling back and going ahead and getting that premium subscription, just because, man, that sounds so sweet. Right? Why wouldn't I want to get that? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, what I want y'all to do, make sure y'all subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bells if you can. It's just a little tiny bell icon below this video. Make sure you tap that. You know what I'm saying? Tap that thing. All right. And then after you tap that, what I want you guys to do, man, is definitely, if you look in the links in the description and you see my email list, definitely tap that. All right, click that link and join my email list, man. Check the links in the description for all that. But that's neither here nor there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I hope this video was helpful, man. Support the channel, support the channel. All I want y'all to do, if y'all want to just tell me thanks or anything, y'all can leave it in the comments. But look, I got a goal, man. I got a goal to get this video to at least 10,000 likes. So if you want to be a part of that, then go ahead and hit that like button. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.